Hey, what's up everybody? So in front of you, we have the INIU power bank. This is the P24-E1 10,000 milliamp hour battery. We're going to give you a full unboxing of it and a quick overview. But before we start, just want to let you know that we do get a small commission when you do click on our links. So definitely click the links, make a purchase. It'll definitely help us out. So here's the box. Again, this is the power bank P24-E1 10,000 milliamp hour. Inside you get your user manual, little card, so on the side you have your built-in USB-C cable. That tucks away on the side. On the side you have your power button, a USB-A port so you can charge another device. On top you have your USB-C port, so this does in and out, as you can see here on the back. So you can charge up to 3 devices. So you got 1, 2, and 3. And if you need to charge this up, again, it's 10,000 milliamp hour battery. You can use the USB-C port, or you can use the outlet prong. So you can have this plugged in and it will charge this battery pack. And inside here, right here on this, is a built-in display to let you know how much is your battery life. So right now it's 51. So here's the back, the specs. So let's go ahead, plug in some devices and try this out. So here I have my 2 devices. I have an iPad Pro M1 16-inch and my Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Just go ahead and use the built-in cable just to show that it charges with the built-in battery. Go ahead and plug this in. And as you can see, it's charging. Plug it into the iPad. You can see it's charging as well. And here's the battery indicator to let you know with the lightning bolt that it is charging your device. So here I have my iPad Pro M1 16-inch, my Samsung Galaxy S25 Plus. Go ahead and charge both devices at the same time. So here I have the USB-A cable. Go ahead and charge the iPad. Go ahead and turn it on first. So as you can see, it's charging the iPad. And then go ahead and charge my phone. So as you can see here, it's also charging both devices at the same time. And if I wanted to, I can also charge a third device with the USB-C up on top. And again, there is a built-in AC plug. So go ahead, plug this in. And once you see it blinking, that's to let you know that the battery bank in here, the 10,000 milliamp, is being charged through the wall power adapter. And again, you can also use the USB-C if you wanted to, but this is another option. And you can also, while it's plugged in, the outlet itself would be what would charge your phone device or your tablet. So no longer is it using the battery bank, now it's using the power from the outlet and coming through and charging your device. But this won't charge while it's charging this and it's plugged in. So it's just literally being a pass-through and charging your phone. And then once you unplug this, it will go back to charging the battery bank on here. So here are the specs for how much each port outputs. So with the built-in cable, does 30 watts coming in. So when you're charging the device, the battery bank, it does 30, and if you're charging a device going out, such as a smartphone or tablet, it does 45 watts. USB-C port up on top does 30 watts coming in to charge and 45 watts going out to charge your device. And the USB-A does 22.5 watts. But when you have it plugged in, USB out does USB-C does 30 watts for the built-in cable. USB-C 2, which is at the top, does 30 watts going out, and USB-A also, and again, does 22.5 watts. So that's the INIU P24-E1 battery pack with a built-in AC port. Till next time, see ya.